Hi sweet people, today I'm actually making this cream cheese stuffed French toast. If you want to know more, then just keep on watching. You'll need bread, milk, cream cheese, vanilla essence, cinnamon powder, sugar, powdered sugar, and an egg. You'll need a bowl, then you can add in your vanilla extract, and next you can add in the powdered sugar. Next you can add in the cream cheese, and then you can start to mix it. Once you have fully mixed the cream cheese batter, then you can just leave it aside after mixing it. You can prepare another bowl and then add your egg inside. Next you can add in milk. After you have mixed both the milk and the egg, you can add in your cinnamon powder. Then you can add in your sugar, and then you can continue mixing until the egg batter is fully mixed. Once you have mixed it well, then you can prepare your pan and start to do the next step. Next, you'll need to get 2 slices of bread and then add in, you can spread your cream cheese batter onto both sides if you want. I apply on both sides, but if you want to, you can just apply on one side, and then because I'm only using 2 slices of bread here, so I'm actually applying everything that I made so that I don't waste it. But if you want, you can add lesser so they can prepare another 2 slices. Then once you're done spreading on the bread, and then you can dip it into your egg batter that you prepared just now. Then once you've fully coated it, then you can fry it next. I have tried those like French toast roll-ups, which you can add in cream cheese or Nutella depending on your preference, and that was really nice as well. But this one I was a little bit like skeptical. I didn't know if I would like it because of cream cheese, like being in the middle. But although we have added sugar and all that, so I was still like not sure of how it's gonna taste. But this was really kind of like game changing or mind blowing to me, because I was like wow, this is really nice, and definitely I would make this again. just need to ensure that you are frying it, don't burn it, because of adding sugar into french toast. It can get a bit dark, so you just need to monitor on that. And then once it's fully cooked on the other side, you can start to flip it and cook the other side as well. So I'm just making sure that it's greased, so the butter is like getting onto the bread as well. And just continue um, cooking it. I'm putting it on low heat because I don't want to burn it, because I always tend to burn it, and so I'm just impatient like that. So when you flip it, then it should look like a golden brown kind of color like this. I think it is fine enough. But I'm using normal slices of bread, but usually for this kind of french toast it's best to use those kind of like brioche bread, or if that's how you call it. Yeah, so that is like thicker and it looks nicer, but of course the taste is still going to be the same. So end of the day, it's like what you have at home. You can definitely use normal slices of bread. That's how I normally do french toast. Then it's not so, because I can't really find those brioche breads at where I am, so I'm just using normal slices of bread. Still, bread is a bread, so you can just use normal bread if you want. It's just what you're going to do with it. So just need to continue cooking. Once it's done, then you can just monitor it on until it's cooked well. So here it's done already, so I'm just flipping this and that side until I plate it. So here I'm gonna cut it, and you can see how it looks in the middle. The cream cheese doesn't ooze out because it's not that much, but you can still see that there is, like, just enough of the cream cheese. And then optionally you can add in fruits. So I'm adding blueberries and also strawberries, because what's french toast without both of these fruits, because it looks so good together. And how do you make it look so good and appetizing is add powdered sugar, and it looks so good right now. So just need to add in powdered sugar, and this is how I'm gonna eat french toast. I'm not gonna just eat it without the sugar and adding in maple syrup. So that's how I am right now. I'm gonna be eating it like I'm high maintenance. I definitely recommend everyone to try this if you like french toast, and if you've just normally just make normal french toast, definitely try to switch it up a bit and try this. It's really good. I really loved it actually, and I can't believe that I loved it, because I was a bit skeptical in the beginning, but this was something that I'm glad I tried. So if you want to try it, do try it, let me know how you feel. So this is the cream cheese stuffed french toast, and thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next video.
She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl, be